Simple interest. Interest is the money that we earn when we invest money or that we have to pay extra when we borrow money. So when we borrow money, we have to pay an extra percentage back as well as the principal. The amount we borrow is the principal, and we must pay back the principal and a percentage of the principal. So each year we have to pay a percentage of the principal, and at the end we've got to pay the principal amount back. When we invest money, at the end we get our money back, plus a percentage of it for each year that we invested it, and that is our interest. Now there's two types of interest, simple interest and compound interest. We're doing simple interest, and so it's a percentage just of the principal amount. The formula is interest equals P times R times N, or some people write it without this times sign. Interest is P R N, same thing. We have to multiply. I equals the interest earned or paid. P is the principal invested or borrowed. R is the interest rate per time period. As a decimal. So that is the percentage divided by 100. And N is the number of time periods. Oops, excuse me. So this is our really important simple interest formula, and my pen doesn't work very well. So for example, Mike invested $2,000 at 3.25% per annum simple interest for 3 years. How much interest will he earn? It's a good idea to write down I, P, R and N and identify what you've got. 2,000 is our principal. 3.25% per annum, and we've got to do 3.25 divided by 100. And that, if we use our calculator or our brains, will be 0.0325. N, the number of time periods, 3 years. And interest is what we're trying to find. We write our formula, I equals P times R times N, substitute in our values, 2,000 times 0.0325 times 3, type it into our calculator, and that's 195. Sorry, I'm running out of time, so I didn't do it. Therefore, he earns $195 in interest. How much does he have at the end of the year? 3 years. The total is the principal plus the interest. So his principal was 2,000 plus interest of 195, he's got $2,195 at the end of 3 years.